If you have a 70s or 80s Mercedes or Porsche, they mostly used this style of fuel injection system. So I just had this one rebuilt. It's for a 78 450 SL. And you can see here's the plunger. Plunges nicely now. It's very nice, perfect. That's what the air door operates on a pendulum on the other side. And that's what adds fuel to each fuel injector from where the fuel lines go in right here. So this is all going to go back together. This is a fuel distributor. We're going to install this on the car and set the CO. They also rebuilt the warm-up regulator. Looks all nice and brand new. Out from CIS Flow Tech. They did a good job. So we're going to go install this stuff on the car and get this car operating within smog limits. So for California smog, we're going to get this car to pass smog.